Heidi, Ranger Heidi K. My last name's Addison Beer. I'm a park peace officer and was coming down to the visitor center and found this turtle in the road. Well, didn't find him. I almost ran into him. Thought it was a dirt clod. So we know the animals have been confused. We had a heat wave a while back in December where temperatures hit in the 90s. Everybody came out, and now we're back in snowy weather, and it's the end of February. So this guy is covered in mud, so he obviously just came out of somewhere, one of the meadows near the streams over there. We're next to Coldstream right now, and I'm going to put him back.
The red-eared slider turtle, Trachome scripta elegans, is an introduced invasive species that came to California from the southeast and midwest of the U.S., where it is endemic. It is a very popular pet because of its attractiveness when young and ease of care until full grown. Pet owners discarding them introduced them into the wild. Laws were written to stop sales of hatchlings less than 4 inches in size. Children had put hatchlings into their mouths, causing a major increase in salmonella infections. Mature turtles have established colonies throughout the United States and California. The impact of their introduction has placed many other species in danger of extinction. The slider has a big appetite, eating grubs, insects, insect larvae, fish, snakes, crayfish, and aquatic plants. It has long, sharp claws for digging into the bottom to stir up food. As the turtles grow older, they adapt to a more vegetarian diet. The mature slider is as large as a frisbee, with a female a bit larger than the male. As the turtles mature, the bright red mark on the head behind the eye darkens. That was a problem in identification of the turtle in the video. They like slow-moving pond water that is of high quality, where they can swim, submerge, and mate underwater. They have to have a basking area and can spend a long time out of the water. These sliders can walk great distances, allowing them to colonize new areas. The female making eggs spends a lot of time basking in the sun. She lays her eggs in a hole in the dirt where the sun shines on the brood. Eggs hatch 3 weeks to a month and a half later. An egg tooth allows hatchlings to break out of the shell, and a small yolk sac gives them nourishment for several days. The female will go through her cycle 5 times in a breeding season, laying between 2 and 30 eggs at a time. The significant identifiers for Trachome scripta elegans are a red marking behind the eye, which can turn darker with age, yellow beading on the legs and neck, large claws on the feet, and a yellow plastron bottom shell with unique black markings on each scale.